killings.
Killings?
Yeah,
At
like
school?
10 people from the school have knocked out dead in a day.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's crazy. Oh my god.
Morgan, listen to me now. You need to run and get away from Abby. Nicole, I thought you were dead. I am, but this is just a dream. I'm trying to help you. Nicole, what's happening? Just stay away. Nicole? From Nicole! Abby. Where'd you go? Nicole!
Oh my gosh, I need to find Abby.
How do you use this? It's like
Abby,
yeah.
are you okay?
I'm kinda. So, what's been up lately?
Well, I've been having these really weird dreams about dead people
Dead people?
telling me to stay away from you.
That's creepy.
I know.
Where's Abby? 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 No! Get away! Get away from me! Abby! Go! Abby! Get away from me!
What's going on?
Get away!
What's going on?
Why are you doing that?
I had the worst dream ever.
I have to go get something. This is for everything!